Want to get the workout of 10 jumpers at the same time?
Of course.
Duh.
Walk while you're jumping. Moving while you're jumping provides several key benefits that can enhance your workout. First, it significantly increases the cardiovascular challenge.
Well, I like a challenge.
Causing your heart rate to rise more than it would with stationary jumping, thus delivering a more intense cardio session. This movement also improves coordination and agility, as navigating different directions requires precise timing and control.
Oh, that's amazing.
Additionally, moving around engages more muscle groups, particularly in the legs and core, resulting in a more comprehensive and effective workout.
That's effective immediately.
The increased intensity from these added movements leads to higher calorie burn, making your exercise sessions more effective in terms of weight management. Furthermore, moving while jumping rope enhances balance and stability due to the constant adjustments needed to maintain your footing.
Adjustments?
This not only improves your physical stability, but also contributes to better functional fitness, which is beneficial for daily activities and sports performances.
Wow. Really?
Yeah.
The necessity to focus on movement directions and coordination keeps the exercise mentally engaging, reducing monotony and increasing enjoyment.
No, it was sincere enjoyment.
This dynamic approach to jump rope workouts can make them more versatile and fun, helping to maintain your motivation and consistency with your fitness routine. While walking or running while jumping adds a great complexity to your workout, giving you a better workout, it can be most damaging if you're not doing it properly. You can even hurt your knees or hurt your back or anything. Now, if you want to avoid this, check this video out right here and make sure you're not doing one of these 5 devastating mistakes that can hurt your back while you're working out. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, just start. We're about being perfect later. Peace.